how to allow install unknown apps or install any APK file on your latest Samsung One UI 7 device. This is the Samsung S25 Ultra running the One UI 7. So if you have any Samsung device and recently got the One UI 7 update, you need to allow these settings to install any APK file or any third-party application on your device. To enable this, first of all, go to settings on your device, scroll down until you can see the security and privacy option. Tap on it. Now here you can see the list of different security options. Scroll down until you can see the more security settings option. So tap on it. Now here you can find option install unknown apps. This feature will helpful whenever you install any third-party application or any APK file on your device. So tap on it. Now here you can see install unknown apps, list of supported applications: Google Chrome, Google Drive, Gmail, My Files, Samsung Cloud, Samsung Internet. Whenever you install any third-party application, you need to allow specific category. When you install any APK file, you need to allow this on your device. So here you can see by default your phone can only install apps from approved source such as the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store. This help protect your malicious apps. So whenever you install any APK file, make sure that application is not harmful. Otherwise, you will lost your phone data also on your device. So before enable this feature, make sure application is safe from your device. So just toggle on the option you want to automatically install any APK file related to Google Chrome or a Gmail or any other files. Also, you can see Samsung Pass. So just toggle on the option you want to install unknown apps or allow third-party application to install unknown source on your Samsung One UI 7 devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.